Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page here, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Discord and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.